गाडगी कामं आहेत. या मुलांचं मला आलं पाहिजे सोडायचं.
चल आपण सगळ्याला
लंबोदराय सकलाय जगद्धिताय नागाननाय श्रुतियज्ञविभूषिताय गौरीसुताय गणनाथ नमो नमस्ते। सुखकर्ता सुखहर्ता वार्ता विघ्नाची पुरवी पुरवी प्रेम कृपा जयाची सर्वांगी सुंदर विषय दुराची कंठी झळके माळ मुक्ता बळाची रत्न खचिता भारा तुझ गौरी तुम्हाला
Omkar International School, Mrs. Archana Parulekar Madam. Madam is very sharp in observation. She is one of the best administrators. We extend our hearty welcome for this felicitation, Madam. Madam, please. I request Ma'am to come on the dais. May I request Mrs. Aparna Wagh Madam, the trustee and the principal of Omkar International School, CBSE, to felicitate Principal Mrs. Archana Parulekar Ma'am.
Thank you, Madam. I call upon Mrs. Vijaya Lakshmi Shetty, Madam, the principal of Omkar English Medium School. Madam is very hardworking and puts her sincere efforts in all spheres of the work she handles. May I request Mrs. Aparna Wagh Madam, the trustee and the principal of Omkar International School, CBSE, to felicitate the principal, Mrs. Vijaya Lakshmi Shetty, Madam. Thank you, Madam. I welcome Rajendra Kale, sir, to accept a token of gratitude. Sir is a gentle, perfect motivator, approachable and persevering and a determined person. I humbly request Mrs. Aparna Wagh Madam, the trustee and the principal of Omkar International School, CBSE, to felicitate Rajendra Kale, sir. Thank you, Madam. Thank you, sir.
Here I would like to welcome Mrs. Aparna Wagh Madam, the trustee and principal of Omkar International School, a leader who is very thoughtful, full of empathy and a great human. May I request Mansi Damle Madam, the academic coordinator, to felicitate Principal Mrs. Aparna Wagh Madam. Thank you, ma'am, for gracing this occasion.
Now I would like to call upon Mrs. Jayashri Reddy Madam, Principal of Omkar English Medium School, CBSE. As a leader and a great teacher, you plant the seeds of curiosity in students and watch them grow each day. Thank you for enhancing the students' skills and urging them to strive for the excellence, ma'am. My request, Madhusmita Pandra Madam, the academic coordinator, to felicitate Principal Mrs. Jayashri Reddy Madam. Thank you, Madam. Now I would like to welcome the Vice Principal of Omkar International School, CBSE, Mrs. Renita D'Souza, Madam. She is a dynamic and delighting personality, very ambitious and interactive, challenging, smart, resourceful and inspirational personality. Renita, Madam. May I request Mansi Damle Madam, the academic coordinator, to felicitate Mrs. Renita D'Souza, Madam.
Thank you, ma'am, for accepting our felicitation. I would like to call the class teacher of 10, Rajesh sir, to felicitate the academic coordinator of Omkar International School CBSE, Mrs. Mansi Damle Madam. Mansi ma'am is a source of inspiration, very active and charming personality of Omkar faculty. Soham Jadhav, are you here?
Yes, ma'am.
Keep applauding. Sir is on his way. As is, next is Aruti Miss Science faculty who will be felicitated by Sanika. Keep applauding, students. Pooja Miss English faculty will be felicitated by Swaraj. It's a huge moment, students. Keep applauding. Raj sir, Maths faculty, will be felicitated by Aparna. Mr. C.
Well, ladies and gentlemen and dear students, we are missing here our another English faculty, Mrs. Kritika. Due to some unavoidable reason, she is not here. Let us give a big round of applause for her. Thank you, everyone.
Aarti Miss, who is a science faculty, will be felicitated by Next on the line is Neena Miss, again of a social science faculty, who will be felicitated by Nidhi. Then I call Sanjeev sir, Hindi faculty, who will be Sir has to be felicitated by Aditya. The popularity goes on. Jyoti Miss, the Sanskrit faculty, will be felicitated by Kasturi.
We have Miss Aditi Ravi Prakash Tiwari scoring 99%. She is the district I really like the music, so I didn't want to interrupt. She is a district topper, stands second at the state level topper and the first ranker of our school. Again, a big applause to Aditi. And then we have Master Sarthak Sanjay Mishra scoring 96.4, Miss Riya Deepak Mudgal scoring 96.2, Master Parth Sandeep Pawar scoring 96, Miss Maria Mahesh Agarkar, Master Vedant Prakash Gaikwad scoring 95.6, Miss Ishita Yogendra Chauhan scoring 95.4, Miss Shrushti Sriniket Deshpande and Master Rohit Ravindra Naik each scoring 95%. That was a very big result, but the list is not yet over. So I would like to add something more.
Thank you, ma'am. And with that, all are enthusiastic to celebrate the program. So, I would like to have that brief result analysis report. So total number of students who appeared for that 10th standard CBSE board exams was 123, out of which from MIDC branch we were having 37 students and 86 students from Tapurli branch, out of which 24 students, that is 20%, they scored more than 90% marks. 59 students, that is almost 50%, they scored more than 80% marks. 75 students, that is almost 61% students, they passed in distinction, that is 75 or above percent marks. And 110 students, that is almost 90% marks, they passed in first class, 60 and above percent marks. So congratulations to all once again, and thank you very much.
So overall CBSE class 10 results is 100%, and we have achieved a great, remarkable record. Congratulations to all the students once again.
The star of the event, Miss Aditi Tiwari. I request Madhusmita Madam to share a few words about the star of the day.
हुनर तो सब में होता है जनाब, फर्क सिर्फ इतना ही है, किसी का छिप जाता है, किसी का छप जाता है। अदिति रवि प्रकाश तिवारी, जिसने ओमकार सीबीएसई स्कूल में कक्षा चौथी में दाखिला लिया था, चौथी कक्षा में आप द्वितीय स्थान पर आई थी, पांचवी कक्षा में आप द्वितीय स्थान पर आई थी, छठी कक्षा में आपने प्रथम स्थान प्राप्त किया था, सातवीं आठवीं पैंडेमिक में गया था, नौवीं कक्षा में वापस इन्होंने प्रथम स्थान प्राप्त किया था, और अभी सीबीएसई बोर्ड 22-23 में आपने 99% के साथ पूरे थाने जिले में भी प्रथम स्थान ग्रहण किया है। इस बच्ची के बारे में जितना बोला जाए उतना कम है। इस बच्ची में बहुत से हुनर हैं। आप सबने भी महसूस किया होगा, आमतौर पर जो बच्चे पढ़ने में काफी होशियार होते हैं वो बाकी सब गतिविधियों में भाग नहीं लेते, लेकिन अदिति रवि प्रकाश तिवारी ने हर गतिविधियों में भाग लिया है। पिछले साल हमारे स्कूल की हेड कैप्टन भी रही हैं और अपना भूमिका उन्होंने बहुत खूबी से निभाया है। इतना ही नहीं, इसमें एक और खूबी मैं बताना चाहूंगी। अगर आप इनकी लिखावट को देखेंगे, इतनी खूबसूरत लिखावट है कि परीक्षक शायद ही इनकी गलतियों को देख पाए, और इनके लिखावट में एक कॉमा की गलती निकालना भी काफी मुश्किल है। तो इसके साथ साथ इनमें और भी हुनर है। इस बच्ची को आप जब चाहे बोलेंगे कि बेटा गाना गाओ, वो तुरंत गाना गा लेगी। उसके लिए उसे किसी साझेदारी की जरूरत नहीं है, और वो बहुत अच्छी नृत्यकी भी है, उसके लिए भी इसे किसी साझेदार की जरूरत नहीं है। तो मैं आशा करती हूँ अदिति आने वाले दिनों में आप आसमान की बुलंदियों को छुएं। हम सबकी शुभकामनाएं आपके साथ है। अदिति। सार्थक मिश्रा। He is my darling. Do you know why he is my darling? He is a question master. Always questions. I said, don't disturb the class, come to me personally, I will answer all your doubts. The child, in this child, what we have to learn, he will never compromise with the answer speaking. Again he will come with the research. Again he will question. This way, even we faculties are learning from him. Such behavior, CBSE apt such behavior child is Sarthak.
Thank you, madam.
Please, how much the education of essence of education is there in this child.
The education comes with the natural intelligence. Then we put up artificial intelligence, we teachers, parents, mentors. Then they have to connect to the world that education to comes to true. That they will do later on, later life. But he started from 7th standard that. I am very much proud of you. I praise you and don't give up this attitude. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, madam. Our next star in the galaxy is Riya Mudgal. I request Ms. Jendis to share a few words about Riya Mudgal.
So when I think about Riya, some 6-7 months before, a girl who likes to sit alone next to the window, who is mostly quiet during lectures but focused. The girl who has missed many of the lectures due to some illness. As a class teacher, I was aware that she has no other source except school and was about how this little girl will cover up with all the losses. But today, as a proud teacher, I am so happy to announce your results, my dear girl Riya. You have lived up to the given saying that with hard work and dedication, anything is possible. You made it possible and will do wonders in future too, Riya. Our blessings will be always with you.
Now I request Raj sir to please come up over here to share a few words about Parth Pawar. Parth has secured 96%. Huge round of applause for Parth.
Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, I would like to congratulate all the toppers, okay? And he is one of the great achievers who is yet consistent throughout the year. What we have seen, he got persistent, praiseworthy, precise, preeminent, predominant. That means what he has done a wonderful job at throughout the year. He was consistent. He is a symbol of consistency. Now, one more thing I would like to share with you all. He was the red boy who is having what unwavering determination, and he was that insatiable thirst for the knowledge, and he is the symbol for what greatness. Okay, he has proven that the greatness is not the what destination, it is a journey. So this is the what this is what we can say. He is the what gem of this school of this red branch, and that I would like to thank him for giving us this precious moment. Thank you.
Thank you, madam. I request Rubinius to share a few words about Madhura Agarkar. Madhura has scored 95.60%. Madhura.
The miraculous girl presents sparks a sense of hope and possibility, reminding us that miracles are not limited to fairy tales but can manifest in our own life. Congratulations, Madhura.
I request Sanjeev sir to please come up over here to say a few words about Vedant Gaikwad, sorry. He has secured 95.60%.
सबको नमस्कार। बच्चों, सबसे पहले आप सबको ढेर सारी बधाई। आपके लिए हमारा मन गर्व से ऊंचा हो गया। आपने हमारा सर गर्व से ऊंचा कर दिया। सबसे पहले आप सबको बधाई। वेदांत, ये मेरे पास चुपके से आता था जब एग्जाम हो जाता था कि सर मेरे स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक तो नहीं, सर मैंने निबंध बराबर लिखा है ना, पत्र लेखन ठीक है ना, थोड़ा स्पेस और छोड़ना चाहिए क्या? ये एकमात्र बच्चा है जो मुझसे कंटिन्यूअस पूछता था, और क्लास में मैं कुछ भी पढ़ाऊं, मैं शायद कहानी भी पढ़ाऊं तो वो भी लिखता था। अगर मैं बच्चों को कुछ कहानी सुना रहा हूं तो भी पूरा पेपर में ये नोट करता था। और सबसे बड़ी बात, इसको देखकर मुझे याद आता है कि साउथ एक सुपरस्टार है रजनीकांत, सेम टाइटल शेयर करता है, वो भी है गायकवाड़, हम जवाब गायकवाड़। बहुत बहुत मुबारक वेदांत।
Thank you. Thank you, madam. Thank you, Archana madam. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Now I request Aparna madam to just felicitate the other Jains of today's galaxy. And next Jain is Ishita Chauhan. I request Ms. Afshan to share a few words about Ishita.
With immense pride, I would like to welcome Ishita, who has secured 95.40%, and she is one of the English toppers of our school. Talking about Ishita, she was the most curious and diligent girl in the classroom, and after every lecture, she had new questions in her mind. And this curious attitude of her to learn more, to know more, had led her to achieve more prestige, and I'm really very proud of you, dear. All the best for your future.
I request Veena Miss to kindly share a few words about Srushti Deshpande. Srushti has secured 95%.
Srushti is a true example of hard work, dedication, along She's a true example of hard work, dedication, and consistency. She managed to get it without any help. The only help she had was she was restricted or limited to certain periods, certain teachers, but yet she managed to get some additional time, come to the teachers in the free periods, and get her doubts cleared. Very, very proud of you.
Now I request Sahil sir to come over here. Sahil sir to share a few words about Rohit Naik, who has secured 95%.
Rohit Naik. Rohit Naik. Rohit has a very determined and hard-working attitude towards life. He is a very helpful student. I have always seen Rohit helping teachers in whatever they require. If Rohit has been called from the lecture also, he will come help always. Before the board examination, he was facing from a serious health issue. Then too, he has managed to secure 95% marks, which is very commendable. We are very proud of you, Rohit, and we wish you all the best in your life.
Thank you, sir. And next star in the galaxy Archana Parulekar Madam to felicitate our English toppers. Please, ma'am. Ishita Chauhan. I request Ishita to come up over here. Ishita Chauhan, who has scored 98 out of 100 in English. Keep applauding, students. The second English topper is Prince Sarkar. Prince has scored 98 out of 100 in English. Now I switch on to the Hindi toppers. We have none other than Aditi Tiwari. Aditi has scored 99 out of 100 in English. Keep applauding, students. Aditi, many more to go for the day. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Aparna ma'am.
Thank you, Archana ma'am. Now I request Aparna madam to felicitate our next subject topper, that is the Sanskrit topper, Master Sarthak Mishra, who scored 100 out of 100. Now it's time to call our mathematics topper once again, Miss Aditi Tiwari, 100 out of 100 again. Thank you, Aparna ma'am. Now I request Vijayalakshmi madam to felicitate our science topper, Aditi, and Aditi again. We are proud to announce once again Aditi Tiwari, who stood first in science, and again the score is 100 out of 100. The clapping must go on. It's a proud moment for the whole Omkar family.
Request Aditi to kindly wait. It's still on a go. Miss Aditi Tiwari, once again the topper in social science, securing 99 out of 100.
Congratulations, congratulations, and congratulations. It's a proud moment. Thank you, madam. Now I request Jayashree Reddy, madam, to felicitate our next student who shines in social science. It's Parth Pawar, who scored 99 out of 100. Parth, social science star. The next star of today's galaxy, Vedant Gaikwad. Vedant scored 99 out of 100 in social science.
Sometimes it's the journey that teaches you a lot about your destination. Good morning to one and all present here. It has been a long time with Omkar, and not a single day was gone when I did not learn something new. I was not so strong to face the world. But I have learned, being a part of the world, we are bound to have responsibilities. Omkar has taught me to take up challenges and work hard to achieve something that is just unimaginable. I'm really grateful to my principal, Mrs. G. Jayashree Reddy Madam and Mrs. Aparna Vag Madam for their motivation throughout this journey. I also thank all of my teachers for their constant support and guidance. I always participated in almost every function, celebration, and lived all of the experiences joyfully. This school is a place where I have met different kinds of people and tried to understand various perspectives of life. Also, I have committed innumerable mistakes. According to me, consistency, hard work, and patience are 3 important factors to achieve anything in your life. And most importantly, we should always be honest to ourselves. I wish all of my juniors achieve a lot of success ahead in the future. Thank you.
Good morning, respected teachers, parents, and students. I am Riya Mungal. I'd like to start off my speech by congratulating all the students and guardians here. So please give yourself a round of applause. So moving on, I want to give my highest regards to my parents and teachers. Thank you, Mom, for always prioritizing my health over my studies. And thank you, teachers, especially Janice and Mira, for the immense support throughout the 10th journey. If it wasn't for Janice Miss actually, inspiring me to get out of my comfort zone, I would not be here giving a speech right now. I'd like to mention that I did not attend any class in 10th. I was able to score about 95% purely into the class. Please give yourself a round of all the teachers here. It was a wonderful year with unforgettable memories. Thank you, teachers, staff, my classmates, my parents, and all those who helped me in this accomplishment. This concludes my speech. Thank you.
Firstly, good afternoon to everyone present here. I'm Shudha Chaman. Throughout class 10, one thing that you always have to do is keep faith in yourself. You're doing great. This is one thing that you always have to tell yourself. Even though you have an improvement of 1 mark, you should still be happy for that. For example, I was not at all good at Hindi, like at the very beginning. That is one of my weakest subjects. But still, I made a little bit of progress and slowly and steadily, I secured 95. So, another thing that I would like to tell you is keep your friend circle a little bit small, okay? Preference should be given to a few friends, attend their birthdays, because if you go to everyone else's birthdays, then you're going to waste time. This is one thing that I'll tell to the recent class 9 and class 10 class. Thank you.
In order to shine like a sun, firstly, we have to burn like a sun. By APJ Abdul Kalam. Hello everyone, and myself, Parth Sandeep Paul, and today I stand before you with deep gratitude and a sense of pride. I want to express my heartfelt thanks to all my teachers and principal ma'am of Omkar English Medium School, CBSE, for their immense support and guidance during our academic year. I also extend my appreciation to all my family members and friends for their constant love and encouragement. Without your unwavering support, I would not have been able to achieve what I have achieved today. Thank you all for being a part of this incredible journey. As we move forward, let us embrace new challenges and strive for greater heights. Thank you all.
Good afternoon to respected principal ma'am, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. Today I am here to share a few words with you. First and foremost, I would like to thank our school management, teachers, and student volunteers for arranging such an impressive ceremony and a grand welcome. Thank you for making us feel special. And for the success that we achieved in the board exam, I would attribute it to the teachers who taught us very well and made our learning more and more easier. All the teachers have been very supportive and have guided and motivated us time and again. Not only academics, but even our co-curricular activities were given equal importance. We were encouraged to participate in various events and competitions which brought overall development of our personality. I also feel blessed to have a great friend circle who supported and managed to control and handle the stress which I was facing through. While concluding, once again, I would thank all my teachers, parents, friends, and everyone who contributed to my achievement. I wish all the best to all my friends here and would like to seek blessings from all the elders and teachers. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Vedant Gaiman, and today I want to express a heartfelt thanks to our amazing school. I want to also thank my friends and parents who have helped me throughout my academic year, supporting me and helping me. I want to especially thank to all my teachers. Their dedication, guidance, and unwavering support had played a significant role in shaping us into what we are today. I am truly grateful to the education and opportunities they have provided me. In the end of this short speech, I want all of us to carry the spirit of this school within us as we strive for excellence and lifelong learning. Thank you all.
I am Srishti Shiniket Deshpande from class 10 TZ and I managed to score 95% in my CBSE board exam. I would like to express my gratitude towards my parents and all my school teachers for the right guidance at the right time throughout the journey. I am really very grateful for their support, guidance as well as the blessings from above. Also, I would like to add the sample papers that were sent by the respective subject teachers during Q board were extremely beneficial. Yes, उस time पे लगा था burden है, क्यों है, क्या है, but it was very useful and it helped to improve paper solving skills and also simplified many inception level concepts. And even my peers helped me by motivating me, solving my doubts during group studies. I am hugely thankful for them. Thank you so much.
Do you remember what teacher taught you? In life, we all face setbacks and challenges that knock us down. And it's natural to feel disheartened and overwhelmed when faced with obstacles. In these moments, reflect on your past accomplishments and the hurdles you have already conquered. Use them as a reminder of your own capabilities. Believe in your dreams and keep pushing forward, even when the road seems tough. Because your comeback story is waiting to be written.
अभी आगाज है तेरा, बहुत कुछ सीखना है, कमर कसनी अभी बाकी है, मुट्ठी भींचना है, भले हालात हो कैसे भी बस ये सोच ले तू, यही है सच, यही है राह, बस अब जीतना है, लिखूंगा तुझे नई तकदीर अपने हाथ से मैं, रगों में खून के संग इस जुनून को खोल के रख, कसौटी वक्त की है हौसलों को खोल के रख, जोड़ना है तुझे ऊंचा परों को खोल के रख, कसौटी वक्त की है हौसलों को खोल के रख, जोड़ना है तुझे ऊंचा परों को खोल के रख.
Please remember, the true measure of success lies not only in your personal achievements, but also in the positive impact one has the world around them. Furthermore, I assure our students that our school will continue to provide guidance and support. Our doors are always open for you. Our teachers and mentors are here to assist you in any way possible, either it is further studies, career options, or your personality development. We are committed we are committed here to be a lifelong resource for your success. To conclude, I'd like to extend my warmest wishes and blessings from our end to accomplish your greater feats in the future.
प्राउड ऑफ यू रिया। और मेरी बेटी रिया को भी अब 90% मिले हैं, 96.2% मार्क्स मिले हैं, लेकिन उसकी विशेषता यह है, स्पेशलिटी यह है मैडम, कि यह मार्क्स उसने सिर्फ और सिर्फ स्कूल की पढ़ाई के दम पर मिलाया है। हमने ना ही कभी कोई ट्यूशन लगाया है, ना ही कभी कोई क्लास लगाया है प्राइवेट। मतलब शी वॉज टोटल डिपेंडेंट ऑन स्कूल। और जो टीचर्स ने हमको कभी निराश नहीं किया। उन्होंने हमेशा हर हाल में उसका रिया के स्टडीज के लिए मदद की, उसको हमेशा मोटिवेट किया, उसको प्रोत्साहित किया हमेशा कि बेटा यू कैन डू बेटर देन दिस, बेटा यू कैन डू बेटर देन दिस। क्योंकि बीच में वो थोड़ी बीमार भी थी, इलनेस की वजह से उसको एक ऑलमोस्ट 1 मंथ उसकी पढ़ाई रुक गई थी। उसके बाद भी टीचर्स ने उसको इतना मोटिवेट और उसको प्रोत्साहित किया कि उसको खुद में कॉन्फिडेंस जग गया कि मैं कर सकती हूँ। और स्पेशली जो क्लास टीचर जेनिस मिस है और मीना मिस जो उनकी 8 और 9 स्टैंडर्ड की क्लास टीचर थी, तो उन्होंने जिस मेजोरिटी से रिया को हैंडल किया और हमेशा मोटिवेट किया, कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ाया उसका, उसकी केयरिंग भी की। मेरी बेटी थोड़ी बीमार भी थी और उसकी केयरिंग भी अच्छे से की, क्योंकि दे टुक केयर लाइक देयर ओन चाइल्ड। नो थैंक यू फॉर दिस। और मीना मिस ने साड़ी हमें भरोसा दिलाया कि हम बिना प्राइवेट ट्यूशन के भी अच्छे मार्क्स ला सकते हैं, क्योंकि वो 9th की क्लास टीचर थी। तो मैंने उनके साथ डिस्कशन किया था कि मैम अभी तक तो मैंने कभी क्लास लगाया नहीं, प्राइवेट ट्यूशन लगाया नहीं, क्या आगे भी 10th में, क्योंकि मुझे हर तरफ से बर्डन आ रहा था कि अब तक तो क्लास नहीं लगाया उस आपकी बेटी को आपने, लेकिन अभी आप और कॉन्फिडेंट मत रहना, अब आप लगा दो, आप लगा दो। तो मैंने किसी की बात नहीं सुनी, मैंने स्कूल पे भरोसा रखा और रिजल्ट आप देख रहे हैं।
Just to mention, Madhura joined the school in class 7. So first of all, I would like to thank the teachers, Mansi ma'am especially, and all my student friends here for accepting Madhura in the big Omkar family. It was a new school, a new board, new classmates. I was a bit worried whether she will be able to cope up, how she is going to adjust, how she is going to settle in this new environment. But surprisingly, in no time I found that she quickly gelled well with all the classmates. The teachers were very helpful, guided, motivated her time and again. Every time whenever we came to school, we always got an assurance that no, Madhura will do. She will adjust. There will not be any issues. And that assurance helped us. Apart from that, we all were facing number of issues, particularly the student community with respect to post-pandemic. Students were low in terms of confidence. They were anxious, uncertain how they are going to face the board. Almost all the parents were first of all worried whether our students will be able to complete the paper. Writing habit was not there.
grammatical mistakes very often. Because for 2 years they were away from the school environment. They are working on the virtual platform. And even I congratulate the efforts taken by the school even in that scenario. Lectures were arranged, teams were created. They assured that the students don't miss out on the study. But what I think is offline studies is the best mode. When you have the teacher in front of you, you get confidence in what you are learning. Luckily for us, in class 10, the classes went on smoothly. And the management, coordinators, teachers, mentors, they assured that students come out of the space, fix all the issues, and bring the best out of the students. See the outcome. Today we all are here celebrating the achievement of our students. This entire thing would not be possible without the dedication and effort of our teachers. So big applause to all the teachers and mentors. Thank you.
Feeling very happy and proud to stand here. This is a very great pleasure for me. Actually, parts on I'll speak in Hindi now. मैं तो पूरा दिन ऑफिस में जाती हूँ 9:30 to 7:30. उसके पापा यहाँ पे नहीं रहते, वो चंडीगढ़ में रहते हैं. जो भी पार्ट का अचीवमेंट है वो और उसकी दीदी सिर्फ दोनों जो she was the ex-student. She also scored a good one. She got I think 93.4 in the 10th, and now she also prepared for the medical. Most of all, she will get the admission for MBBS this year, and she is the mentor of Path along with all the teachers and the all management of Omkar. So I'm thankful to all the teachers.
This is a really proud moment. Generally, we tell that Srushti is a daughter of Sri. But today, this is a proud moment to tell that I am father of Srushti Deshpande. That's I have seen. At the same time, the way the children have been nurtured, it's actually a foundation that we have seen at our age, and that's remember us that the way 15, 30 years back we have been groomed, the same way is happening even now. So that's where it's like a nurturing the culture. So coming back to this particular program, this is the result of the entire efforts, the great teamwork. The teamwork is why I'm saying teamwork, because only students with a great ability to learn may not help. Only teachers with great ability to guide and mentor may not help, and only good teacher and good children may not help unless and until the top management is doing this. So it's a great teamwork. unique. Aditi and Aparna ma'am, they are the sensation of the day. Today they both are the sensation. Why I'll tell you. Aditi is representing all the toppers and Aparna ma'am is representing all the teachers, coordinators, everybody. So I said these two are today's true sensation of the day. There is one more uniqueness. Aditi, do you know the meaning? Meaning of endless, at par. So Aditi, जो आज आपका सक्सेस है ना, वो भी at par level. Just I was seeing the marks, 100, 100, 99. तो बचा क्या है? And even Aparna, the name of Aparna, do you know? That is also represents goddess Parvati. Endless power and stamina. So आज ये दोनों unique combination यहाँ पे था. So really the program is sensational. I'm telling you, ma'am, a parent like you and a student like Ria always set a yardsticks for the next students. कोई जरूरी नहीं है कि हम कोचिंग क्लास में कोई 95 मार्क मिलेंगे. हम खुद की मेहनत से और हमारे स्कूल के टीचर के गाइडेंस से भी पा सकते हैं.
I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to all those who have made this event possible. I'd like to start by thanking our school management, our principal Aparna madam and Jayashree madam, because of whom this event was possible. Our coordinator, teachers and staff members also played the role of a backbone and helped in the organization of this grand event. I'd like to express my appreciation to our guests who have taken time out of their busy schedules to grace this occasion with their presence. Your presence has added an extra spark to this event and made this even more special. Thank you, ma'am. I would like to thank each and every one of you, the students who were well prepared to receive the felicitation, the parents and the students who are present here today to appreciate, share happiness and cheer the victories. And last but not the least, I would like to thank the present class 10 students for their unstinted support in beautifully exhibiting the event well. In conclusion, I would like to say that this event would not have been possible without the support and hard work of each and every one of you. On behalf of the school, I would like to express my sincere thanks to all of you. Thank you.
I humbly request you all, go on clapping, and motivate our students. Let the flow of this energy, inspiration, positivity flow forever and together. Very holy, pure, and spirit-sweet atmosphere everywhere in Omkar today. Go on clapping. Congratulations, dear students. You are the real stars of our school, the Omkarians. Congratulations once again, all of you. Today's event is full of emotions, pride, celebration. Proud of